What's going on, guys? We have our very first lemon meringue mango. So we are going to cut it off and get ready to taste it. We're so excited. Oh yeah.
All right, we'll taste that sucker.
Looks good. Hi, we're back. We're ready to try our lemon meringue mango. It's supposed to be really sweet and delicious and have a citrusy taste. So we're excited to try this. Mango is a family favorite fruit of ours, and so we cannot wait to dig into this. It originated in India, and we worked really hard on this mango tree and finally have produced a fruit. So let's go ahead and cut into it. And I'm gonna cut it a little different way. I learned one way at culinary school, but then I looked up how you're supposed to cut a mango, so I'm just gonna see if that works any better for us here. Super soft.
There's the weirdest way. Are you supposed to eat the peel?
No, that's part of my new experimental cutting. It's almost like how you do an avocado.
That's so weird.
That's from that one like bruised area. I don't think we want that. Just cut that out.
And then you like scoop it with a
Yeah. That doesn't work as good seamlessly as it did
Maybe it works
in the YouTube video. Maybe.
Not these premium mangoes.
That's right.
It smells good. And you can eat the leftovers.
All right, should we try it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take this.
That's what I wanted.
Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. That's interesting. It totally does taste a little lemony, huh? It's not sour.
Kind of is though.
Let the cameraman try a piece.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
It's super soft. It's not stringy at all.
No fiber,
Tastes like a citrus.
no chalky aftertaste.
No,
It
that's
almost
pretty
has
good.
like
Want some more?
it's almost like an orange. More than a lemon to me.
Yeah.
I like it
You can
almost as
definitely-
much as that first mango we ever had, the Nam Doc Mai mango.
That's
Remember that first one we grew?
Yeah, I don't know if
That's actually
better
probably
than
one of my favorites. That's incredible.
yeah, that's pretty good.
So this particular mango tree we got is like a bargain tree because it was cold sensitive and we thought it was gonna die, and here we are 3 years later eating fruit. I think we got 4 on it this year.
Only took 3 years.
Yeah, only took 3 years to get 4 fruit. Totally worth
So
it,
we got
right?
lots of patience. Grow a mango tree
Yeah.
in Arizona.
So on a scale of 1 to 10 of mangoes you've had, how would you rank it?
Of mangoes that I've had, I'd probably say a 9.
9? Nice. What about you, Harley?
8-ish, 9-ish.
I'm gonna go with a 9 or 10 just because it's pretty close to the Nam Doc Mai I had, which was my favorite. So
It is really good.
So which pieces are like riper, Dad?
I don't know.
This one?
I'd say the darker ones are riper.
Yeah,
I haven't had a lighter piece yet. I'll try that.
Try that. What does the lighter one taste like?
It's a little bit harder.
It is a little less sweet than the.
Okay, so the darker, the riper.
Yeah.
All right, everybody. So if you liked the video, what do you do?
Subscribe!
See you in
All
the
right,
next
we'll
video.
catch you next time. We got some Kathy mangoes that are almost ripe too. We'll do them next. Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Bye.